Today, I want to begin with a provocative thesis. Hyperscaler AI data centers are dead.
Dead? You mean companies like Amazon, Microsoft, and Google built massive AI infrastructure for nothing?
Not for nothing, but the assumption behind it may be changing. For years, the industry believed one thing: AI must live in hyperscale cloud infrastructure. Every query, every inference, every model execution sent to enormous data centers.
Because the models are too big to run locally, right?
Exactly. Large models require enormous compute and memory. The cloud solved that by concentrating thousands of GPUs in massive facilities.
So what changed?
Semiconductors changed, specifically high-performance system-on-chip designs with unified memory and dedicated neural engines.
You mean like Apple's chips?
Precisely. Apple's upcoming M5 generation pushes this concept further. These chips combine CPU, GPU, and neural accelerators with extremely large unified memory pools.
But a laptop cannot compete with a hyperscale data center.
For training large models, absolutely not. But for inference, which is the majority of everyday AI usage, the equation looks different.
What makes inference different?
Inference is about running a trained model, not training it. If the hardware is efficient enough, inference can move much closer to the user, even directly onto the device.
So instead of asking a cloud server, the device itself answers?
Exactly. With powerful chips and sufficient memory bandwidth, AI can run locally, faster, cheaper, and privately.
Cheaper how?
Think about the economics. Cloud inference requires continuous compute rental. Every query consumes GPU cycles in a data center. Running AI locally means one hardware purchase amortized over years.
So the cost model flips from operational expense to hardware investment.
Correct, and that is a fundamental shift in the techno-economics of AI.
But hyperscalers still exist. Companies still train models there.
Of course, hyperscalers remain essential for model training, global-scale simulations, enterprise platforms, and large distributed systems.
So they're not really dead.
No, their role is evolving. The cloud becomes the factory where models are created, but the execution increasingly moves to the edge: phones, laptops, and local machines.
And Apple's M5 is an example of this shift.
Yes, Apple is pushing the idea that serious AI workloads can run directly on personal hardware.
Will other companies follow?
Almost certainly. Semiconductor innovation rarely stays isolated. Competitors will build similar architectures.
So what is the real takeaway?
The AI industry assumed intelligence must live in giant data centers. But the next phase may distribute intelligence everywhere, from hyperscale clouds down to the device in your hand.
So the future is not cloud or device.
Exactly. The future is both, but with very different roles.
And hyperscalers?
Not dead, just redefined.